Ko te Wairemana Herewini tōku ingoa. He uri ahau no te waka o mā tātua, te iwi o tūhoi, te hapu o Ngāti Tāwhaki. I tipu ake au I roto I te reo Māori me o ngā tikanga, I roto I te taho o kakau mātua. Ai, ka huri ahau ki te reo tauiwi nai nei. So I'm te Wairemana. I practically grew up in te reo Māori and its customs, protocols. Teaching is something that's always been in me. I grew up with my grandparents. Every day was a teaching lesson for me. All the knowledge that they passed down to me, I just want to share it with everybody else. I've been supported through family first, so I have a strong family that's backing me all the way. Also, the Teaching Z scholarship. So lucky I received that. Highlight of my kura, meeting the children, helping them learn and develop, getting amongst all the work with my associate teacher, getting to know how she runs her classroom. The teaching challenge that I've faced in this kura is the year group that I'm currently teaching, which is new entrants to year 2. They need a lot of guidance. I've learnt a lot of patience in this teaching year group and trying not to rush them along in terms of work. They work at their own pace. My next steps in terms of my development as a teacher would be to work in kura kaupapa Māori, or if I'm in the mainstream school, I'd like to work in the Māori unit. I think it's important to have many discussions with my associate teacher. She's experienced a lot that I haven't, and her sharing her knowledge with me gives me more of an understanding of the teacher's role and how many hats they actually do wear. The piece of advice that I've received from my associate teacher was to get more involved with the kids. So now I just get more involved, getting the kids comfortable with me so that I don't feel like a stranger to them. The one piece of advice that I'd give to students is don't let your assignments get on top of you. That's how it gets hard. I want to be a teacher that children can trust, children can come and talk to. I also want to be a teacher that makes a huge impact on children's learning.